Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday. Oh, I know it's been a while for some of you, but again, remember, premium, never missed a beat, baby. Never missed a beat. Just sign up for my service. Try my product, please. And again, if those of you don't know, I do have a premium service. I'm going to hit you right in the beginning. And again, pretty much you get me for 4 hours a day in my chat room, people. So again, if you miss me, well, you know what? I am coming up with a summer special. The only specials I'll be doing, by the way, from now on, is to the end of the year. I am not doing any more specials. No more 3-month deals, no more anything. I want to be able to start the new year fresh, month to month. I want to be able to dump you people like a hot potato. I'm sick of being stuck in with you guys. Well, I love some of you, but you know. So again, if you're looking to take advantage of that, it's $600 to the end of the year. You want to do it now? You want to do it in June? You want to do it in July? It's still going to be 600. So if you do it now, you get the best deal. And if you think the stock market's going to come in and metals are going to still come in, and the market's going to grind higher and the dollar's going to go up, which I do, then I think it behooves you to try my product. And again, right now, it's about almost, I guess, 7 months, 7.5, more than almost 8 months for only 600. But if you wait a month, obviously it's going to cost you more. But again, if you have any questions about that, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. And those of you, I do have a couple of people that are signed up through the 2012. Of course, I'll honor that, but not enough where I feel stuck. Just refund you guys prorated amount, Ronnie boy. But anyway, look at the dollar index. We had a nice little reversal. And, I thought we were going to continue. Stock market pretty much strong all day. Gold up over 20, strong all day. Silver up over 2.5, strong all day. Never really came in. Thought it would. Didn't. But again, that dollar yen really saved us. Euro Aussie. I'll be posting trade recs as well, of course. Looking very good. Euro Aussie came in, Euro Canada came in, Euro Sterling came in, Euro Swiss came in. So just because the Euro rallied today doesn't necessarily mean the Euro was very strong. Euro is actually very weak across the board. But other ones, obviously, pound dollar, commodity currencies were strong. Dollar Canada came in, but well off session lows. And really lack of economic numbers, really not much. We did have some nice numbers that came out. Centex Investor Confidence was a little bit weaker. Building approvals, I believe, out of Canada, a little bit weaker. Trade balance out of Germany, very strong. Obviously, one of the things that got the euro going, I think Bollinger, whatever, saying that Eurozone could fail. But, really amazing what's going on in Greece. And it's amazing this always happens at the beginning of the summer. Gee, I wonder why. What do you know? Third base. But really, very interesting how this all really happens towards the beginning of the summer after a big euro. Why weren't they talking about this when euro was 135? So it's just ridiculous. But still a good day. Even though the dollar reversed, we covered some of that euro dollar tremendous. But again, looking at this dollar index, it does look like we're going to come in a little bit. We did break out. We broke this whole downtrend channel line. If you were watching my videos, I know you're a little upset that I didn't do no soup for you. But again, premium was well taken care of. Look at this euro dollar ripping, people. Aussie coming on at the end of the day. Stock market closing strong. Never really even a pullback. Stock market looks good. Gold, again, I think we're set up for a nice turnaround Tuesday. I think we're going to, dollar index probably is going to come in a little bit, probably maybe to 74. You could even do a Fibonacci from the low to the high. Oh, come on. And look at that 50% retracement, right about 79.94. Oh, wait, hang on, team. Hang on, let me see if I can get you guys going. My bad. Oh, you think so, huh? Okay, well, listen, everyone's entitled to their opinion. I personally don't think so. I think this sell-off is not done. I think we got more to go. I'm not saying that we can't have more dollar downside. Stock market probably is going to be stronger. going into tomorrow, I would say. But then that should be it. I'm looking for more of a, I think we have more to go. Again, the dollar index is broken out, as you see here. I think we pull back probably to 74 zone, and then I think we head back up. But, again, you take a look at, one of the things we looked at on the weekly. I know I didn't do one for you people, but, oh no. All right, sorry. We'll see when it comes up. But again, look at that euro dollar chart. The euro is the relative strength loser. The euro is the one that is going to be the loser. So in looking at this, well, it depends where you draw the channel line from. But if you draw your channel line, say from this level here, that March extended over, we busted it. We broke it. So now this should be resistance level, this 144, even 145. Listen, we could have a nice head and shoulders brouhaha here. But we broke this whole uptrend channel line. 10, 20, 30 are now going to start to cross. I think the only way to play it is to the short side. Again, this euro situation is not over. I'm not the only one that believes this. So we'll see. I thought investor confidence pretty weak at a Eurozone, 10.9. Halifax house price index coming in at negative 1.4%. I thought that number sucked. Oh, look at that. I can see it myself. That's so cool. I like being in the room twice. But, Canadian number a little bit weak, not really that so bad. But, again, look at this euro dollar. Again, it rallied nicely. Hopefully you sold that bounce and you're giving back profit. But the fact that we took our previous day low, to me, is a big negative. Yes, it's a nice reversal. Yes, we're probably going to have more upside tonight. Maybe even get up to 145, 144.50. But I'm still a seller. And, maybe on the sidelines, wait for the bounce. I think S&Ps are probably going to be strong tonight. Gold, oil, all should have more of a pop. And then, then the million-dollar question is, do we have a turnaround Tuesday? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. It's coming. Abso-freaking-lutely. Monster turnaround Tuesday. Maybe it'll be some bad news. I don't know. Third base. We'll take it. Listen, we had some bad news out of Eurozone. That's what got the euro weaker. But again, the play has really been the euro on the short side, not necessarily the dollar on the long side. The last, let's say, 36 hours. But turning to tonight's trade, we do have plenty of data coming out. We got Chinese trade balance. We also have Chinese officials in Washington for direct talks. There's some economic. Listen, Bernanke's talking to Chinese officials. Geithner's involved in talks. So we might have some sort of a yuan announcement, which could be very interesting. Dalian really can't rally much, but I would imagine if they do have a yuan revaluation, I doubt it. Chinese don't just give in like that. But if there is, and again, you talk about Fibonacci retracement also on the euro. Why'd you keep doing that? Again, we could bounce to 146 and it would still be a short. Still be a short. So again, big, tonight I think we could pop up to the 10 exponential again, and then I think we roll over. Abso-freaking-lutely. But again, look at this dollar index on the weekly chart I was trying to show you before. This was a monster. Oh, let me get rid of that. Monster outside candle. Took out the lows, closed strong at the highs. Yeah, we're looking weak now, but again, beginning of the week, first day of that candle. So, you look at this outside candle, one of the first outside candles we've had in a very long time, technically in a candlestick formation. So I just think we got more upside. Again, you look at this dollar index, how far it's come over the last year. And we're talking about 88, 89, down to almost 73. So it's certainly due for a nice pop. And again, we took out resistance here at the lows from 2009. And I think we should easily head up. And by the way, notice where we stalled. Right at the 10 exponential. But if you look, we really took it out a little bit. So that says to me, we could have more upside. Again, we've been hugging it. Last time it pierced through, it had a nice reversal. But again, let's see what this week comes. And again, I think 74, big spot, big pullback buy. I'm still bullish on the dollar, still negative on the stock market. And we take a look at this pound trade. And this one absolutely looks good. Very good. Oh, baby. And I think, we get up maybe 64.50 and then we fail. Remember, this is my old propeller pattern, right? This is a classic propeller pattern. Shooting star. Reversal. And hammer. Now, again, we could pop up here. But I think that you got this channel line also. And even at the 30 exponential, 164.50, I don't think we take that out. It's not like the London numbers were so good. It's just more the euro really getting hit. We have trade balance out of Australia also coming out tonight. German trade balance was very good, by the way. I think record exports. But I think that I think Asia, I hope the dollar's down. I think if Asia dollar down, maybe we top out. Maybe the euro gets up there. Maybe cable gets up there in Asia. What I'm thinking is probably dollar's going to rally a little bit in Asia, and then we have a nice reversal in Europe where the dollar gets hit, S&Ps are up, and then stock market's up, and then by about 10 o'clock, hopefully earlier, the dollar's reversing nicely. And we take a look at this Aussie. Just incredible. Taking out the highs, big spot here. I don't think it makes it, but again, thank goodness for Euro Aussie. That's all I have to say. Oh, baby. 108.36 is huge. We take out the 61.8% retracement. Houston, we have a problem. But again, I think we fail. One of the things, the Aussie today was really hanging around 107.55 level while the stock market and gold and oil were going up more. And it didn't really rally until the end of the day. So I'm still not buying this. Oh, no. Oh, come on. I'm still not buying this. I still don't think that this Aussie really made it. It's got to clear through 109 for me to really say, hey, you know what? We got a problem. We got to get the hell out. Come on, close this thing. Why? It's not letting me close. That's just great. There we go. So, again, this Aussie dollar to me looks like it could easily go up again to that 108.636 level, and then I'd be looking to sell it. Absolutely. That's great. I want to just give out my account number to you guys. Lovely. I see that. That's ridiculous. Wait a minute. Let me fix that. Boom. One second. Hang in there. I know I got lots of technical glitches today, but hey, your freebies. I don't care. Oh, I'm so mean. Oh, baby. Again, if you look at my video from Thursday, the last one, we predicted this was going to happen. Maybe not. Listen, did I think Trichet was going to really come out and be so dovish? No. I thought he was going to be in the middle, more on the dovish side, but not so hawkish. But man, that euro, what a move. What a move. What a move. Right, let me see if I can get the S&P. Come on, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. There we go. Okay, good. So at least you waited for it. Let's take a look at that S&P. Again, to me, we broke through this big time channel line here. And we're just, busting up through. But again, do your Fibonacci, and we're not going to take out this whole 1360 on the S&P. No freaking way. So I think we set up for a nice turnaround Tuesday. Maybe we're up to 1352 in that zone. And then we look for a nice reversal candle. Abso-freaking-lutely. So that's why I think, tomorrow, again, I hope the S&Ps are up 5, 6. I hope the Aussie isn't really that strong. And we're saying to ourselves, why isn't the Aussie up more? Maybe the metals aren't up that much. But again, I don't think we're now up to the moon, Alice. No freaking way. VIX was at 17.16, so down nicely percentage-wise, down 6.7%. 10-year 3.14, which is not very good at all. If you're a dollar bull, and the yen, dollar yen looks terrible. Let's take a look at this dollar Canada. Another one. Cannot get through this 97, Ronnie boy. Triple top. I think you got to sell any strength. Obviously, your stop is 97.05. Should we take that out? To the moon, Alice. TTMA. And one other announcement, by the way, I am not really sending any more twits via Andrew Spanton on Facebook. Messages. The key messages are going to be just from my fan page, Voice of Forex. Andrew.Spanton, I'll still send out some other stuff, but the key, if you're looking for any market calls, free stuff, it's only going to come from my fan page. So you might, if you're not a fan of Voice of Forex on Facebook, you might want to become one. Word to the wise. And if you don't give a crap about personal stuff, you might want to defriend me on Andrew.Spanton. Just be a fan of my fan page. How about that? All right, anyway, dollar candidates again, you see here, should we take out 97? We got clear sailing to about 98, but this is having a very hard time. And I think that, dollar Canada will be selling a strength. I think we could easily come in a little bit more. Yeah, the number wasn't so great, but still, no big deal there. We really have no numbers out of Canada tomorrow. On the European side, we got French industrial production, Swiss CPI, no big deal there. Swiss franc, a little bit on the strong side today. Euro Swiss, very good. Import prices, Duke speaking at FOMC, IBD, wholesale inventories, all non-events in my opinion. Big number tonight will be Chinese trade balance. That's about it. Aussie trade balance also. Rick's house price balance in Europe, in Asia, early Asia, BRC retail sales. That's really it. So tomorrow night's going to be big. We've got CPI, China, in Asia. A ton of numbers. Industrial production, remember last month was 14.8%. Big number there. So again, look at this dollar Canada. I like it on the short side. But again, if we get through 97, I'll go long. No problem there. Let's take a look at this dollar Swiss. Swissy. Oh, baby. Wait, hang on. Let me expand that a little bit. This dollar Swiss, again, I'm still not convinced. I know we broke through this whole downtrend channel line, but again, you do your Fibonacci. And, we're talking about 86.58 we can come down to. It's only 70 pips away. And then I'm looking for a reversal. So this Swiss franc, I think, again, is not over by any means. No way. And I'm looking for a nice pullback, and then I'm looking to get long. Abso-freaking-lutely. And again, we take a look at some of these yens. Sterling yen. Stock market was up, gold was up, cable was up. This thing couldn't even rally. I still like these to the downside. I think they're flagging to the downside. We're set up. We break through 131. Say a little 130 easy. That's 130 right there, baby. I did dollar Canada, Ronnie. And dollar Canada, my bias is down. Down, doobie down. There it is right there. Dollar Canada looking like it's going lower. 95.50. I'd say dollar Canada 95.50. Aussie dollar just ripping into the close right now. I'm not buying into it. 108.36 is a huge spot. Cable again, I think 64.50. Euro dollar can get up to about 144.50. Oh, where are they? That's it. And let's take a look at that dollar yen. Where is she? Where'd she go? And again, we got New Zealand. This sucker go to 80 and then reverse. But I think we have the mother of all turnaround Tuesdays, mañana. Mañana. Oh, baby. Making the call. So again, to reiterate, and by the way, I got to tell you, this whole Osama bin Laden thing, I got to tell you, and you know me, I abhor Barack Hussein Obama, but I just think the way he handled it was superb. It's really, if it's all true, all the things we're hearing, and not that I believe everything, really, got to give the guy credit. His foreign policy sucks, his economic policy sucks, but the way he's handling the military, I don't know, pretty decent. Got to admit, dollar yen, and for all the purposes, he got him. He did get him. Waterboarding worked, absolutely, but still, it was on his watch. Dollar yen again, unless we take out previous day lows. So we take out 80, I'm still going to be a bull. I still think we could pop up to about 81. But above 81 would be big. We take out 81, we're going to 81.50 easy. And I think the fact that bond yields were so weak really brought things, it's dollar yen down. We're just trading with the dollar. And that's it, people. You got them all. Again, info at globalfxradio.com. Team, I'll see you back in 20 minutes. 20 minutos. Oh, baby. Who's your daddy? Good day. Gave some back, but your euro was tremendous, and the yen's worked. Oh, baby. All right, everyone. See you back in 20 minutes. 20. All right. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. If you're having a hard time and you think this market is going down, trust me, you spend the next 6 months with me, people, and you will learn a boatload. And maybe you'll fill it up with some cash. No promises. Never any promises. And let me tell you something. Anyone that promises you they're going to make you money in FX, anyone that promises you they're going to make you money in any market, run like the wind. I never make you any promises. These idiots will make you promises to get accounts. I'd rather have 5 people premium, but they know the deal, than people that have made promises that I can't cash. Andrew Spanton. Look for a massive turnaround Tuesday. Mañana. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Oh, baby. Have a good night.